Alright, I'm going to put a third function on this tractor. So, just got to hook it up here. I got all the stuff to run through here, up into the boom, through the boom, out here, and then the hoses will wrap around this 4-position plate. I got a new one, it's a 6-position. I got all the couplers. I'm going to change these to 45s so they go forward and kind of loop around. So it'll loop, yeah, it'll go forward and then loop back here instead of hanging over like that. I don't like that. And then I don't know if I have enough 45s to do the bottom. If I only have 6, I don't know if I got 6 or 12. If I only have 6, I'll do the bottom. I got 2 more hoses to go down and go into number 3 here. If you can see that. And then I'm going to change this hanger out and put a bracket, and where these 2 hoses are, I'm going to put another bracket so all these hoses can be mounted. So I got a 2-function hose kit, hose mounting kit I think is what it was, and then I got a 3rd function hose mounting kit, which basically you take out the center bolt, I think, and you replace it with 2 hose clamps that'll hook up to the 3rd set of hoses. So like this snake skin will come off and all that, and then it'll be mounted closer. I'm going to start working on this. I believe I have all the parts. If not, I guess I'll do what I can, and we'll go from there. What else we got? Yeah. Another way you can do it if you want is you don't have to tie in here. You can get longer hoses, run them through your boom if you want, go under the cab and go along the back, as long as you have, well, there's a stick, where at least 1 rear remote. You can do it that way too. So I got 2 on this one. This is the 5075E with the premium cab. So see what I can do. I want to put a grapple on this, and this will be the first step into putting said grapple on this tractor. Oh, I do have a new sticker for here. I came off, I don't remember when. So there's only about 62 hours on this tractor. It's a 2024, I believe. So I also have another harness that I'm going to hook up on the inside. I'll show that probably in a different video. It's for, well, I'll go over that when I get to it. That one shouldn't be too hard, but I'm going to start with this. I'm going to start getting everything open, and open the box and go through there and see what we got. Alright, it's hot today. I got heat index says it's 99. It's in the upper 80s right now. Alright, I've opened up the boxes. I got a big box there. This came in it. This is the what is it? The BW16390 kit. I got 2 hoses. The BXX10989. I got 2 or one of those. This says 986. I think that's the wrong hose. I'll have to look. Oh, wait, these are kits. So I got this kit, the BSJ10674. I'll open all these up. I got a couple unions to go in under the cover on the loader. So they're 38H1275. I got some O-rings there. T77857. Here's the hoses that go in the boom, the AXX10051. There's 2 of those. The 2 that go under the tractor, that go from the cab or from the tractor to the loader disconnect, are these AXX10039s. Now it took me a while to find all these because some drawings are good, some drawings aren't. So it's hard to tell. I got a couple caps just in case I need them. Hydraulic caps, 38H1416. These lock nuts are for the, oh, there's one arm. That's fine. I might need them. 38H5092. Here's the mount. It's a 6-position. It comes with the stickers and the mounting hardware. That's BXX10620. It was cheaper to buy this and the 16390 kit than it was to buy all of the things together. Now the 16390 kit, hold on. Alright, so the 16390 kit I just pulled out of the bag. It comes with, what is this? 3 pieces of snakeskin, I guess, to go over the hoses in the boom. I might guess, I'm not sure. It comes with the 2 hoses that go to the forward 3rd function on the loader. So these are the hard lines that go to the bracket, which is here. So this is the bracket right here. This is the bracket that will get mounted to the front, and then the fittings will get mounted in here, and these 2 outer ones will get mounted to this, and these will come in like this. Yeah, like this, and the other one will come over. So there'll be one here and one here. I think they're 2 different numbers, but they might, yeah, one's a little bit longer. Oh, yeah, one's a little bit longer. So you can see that here. If I line these up, you can see how they, if I put them like this, these pretty much lined up together, they'll be in here just right. So I'm gonna get all this opened and start setting it out so I can get working on this. Maybe I'll get some of it done tonight. It's supposed to storm, we'll see. So what I gotta do is I gotta pull this cover, that cover, and then you'll be able to see the hole. The hoses will go up in the arm, so I'll have to get something and fish them through. So what I might do is, I don't know where I'll start yet. We'll go from there. Alright, the only thing I've done is I turned off the blue line, took all the pressure off the loader. The way you do that, just take this and shake it all around. That's all you gotta do. Once it's down, unhook your loader. I just put the caps on. And I got these. This is the 4. So if you want to take this off, it's a 15mm bolt and nut. The lines are 15/16 and top fitting is 1 1/16. That should be 1 1/16 also. Yep. So the hose fittings are SAE. The hardware is going to be metric, typical. But I'm gonna start working on this. I don't have a mount for the camera, so let me see if this works. I won't be able to see the hardware, but the hardware's right here. I'll probably just go ahead and loosen these first. I need to get a drain pan. Get these off first. Probably wrench these on. Yeah. I wonder if they put them all at the socket. Maybe I'll just take these off first. Try that. That's the way it should be. There shouldn't be a lot. It's just this. Shouldn't need that much, but it does. So I went and got a impact. Let's see if we can get these off real quick. We just put on with an impact. see I got these marked instead of being stupid and forgetting to mark them. Went ahead and marked them. Once I get the snake skin off, I'll mark those two down there, but I already marked the bottom two because they were to this one. I'll go ahead and rip this one off, and then I'll work on getting this bracket off and switching this bracket over to the new one. I'm just putting these back on so I don't lose that much fluid. I'm not losing a lot, but like I said, it's hot out here today. Heat index is 100. Pull this off. I don't need this. See why I put the fittings back on. That way I don't get any dirt in the hydraulic system, because these hoses are dirty. In the kit, I do know have new caps and stuff, so I might go ahead and just put those in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the zip ties down here. So you see I got these laying there, and put this one, which is the farthest one. I don't have a good place to sit you on. How about that? So that one's the red one. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I'll cut these tails off flush when I'm done here in a minute. just cutting them flush. That way I know where they are. Not dealing with the tails later. The actual fittings on the tractor, they're marked. So what I'm gonna do now, probably run a tap. Through here just to clean the threads out because they look a little rusted. Get the mount, put it on here, get these hoses mounted, and then I can change this out. So I'm gonna get all that stuff ready and then I'm gonna get it going. Alright, I got an M8 by 125. Yeah. Another one. Yeah, I got a few different sizes. That don't feel right. That's a M10 1.5. M10 1. I don't think it's gonna be that. Probably gonna be an M9. M9 125. Looking at the bag, it's supposed to be an M10 by 1.5. Is what the bolts say. So let's chase it out. Huh? Looks like that's gonna be about right. And I drop it in the well. In the oil. I'm 2 for 2 for the oil. Keep doing. Alright, that's bottomed out.
Oh, they fighting. Oh my gosh, you have so many colors of hides.
Okay.
Nice.
Why do you have a sweatshirt on? It's 100 degrees out here.
Because I had a sweatshirt on earlier because I was cold. And
Well,
I
you're
didn't put it
outside.
in.
Put a dang. You don't need a sweatshirt on. It's 100 degrees out here. Whatever.
I was colder. Ooh, this was
You need to get out of the house.
Get out of that sand. How much?
You need to get out of the house for a while.
Ooh, I need to go check my mom.
Anybody else have teenage daughters that spend all day inside and wear sweatshirts and then come outside wearing sweatshirts when it's 100 degrees? I'm cold. Get off the dang phones.
like 20 minutes ago.
Here,
Now it's
let's see.
17.
You got a sweatshirt on and shorts.
Do you not like my fit?
Good grief, kid.
It's literally a 10 out of 10 fit. I can walk. I can be on boat.
They don't get it.
Are you making fun of my fashion choice? The same style, just like a little red.
Okay, that's kind of bottomed out, so back that out. This is the other one too that are tapped. Huh. Look at all that crap. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll go get it back.
Hey, Tay, I just rolled my ankle. Can you help me? Oh! All right, it's time to get this all hooked up. These are tightened. These two outer ones I can move up and down, but they're gonna be going here. There's gonna be a 40, oh sorry. This one's right here. I'm gonna be putting these on. There's gonna be 45 fittings here. I have to order the other 6 I need. I just don't know if I'm gonna do the bottom side or the top side. Might do the bottom side first. That way all this is done, and then I can just take apart those and the other ones and get all those done. I gotta see, make sure I got everything. I'm pretty sure I do, but then again, there is no just, this is what you need to convert yours from a 2 function to a 3 function. It's look at this drawing, it has this parts, look at that drawing, it has that part. You got to figure out what you have, what you need. It's not as simple as saying I want to add a 3rd function to a 2 function loader. What do I need? It's not that easy to, it takes a while to figure it out. So let me figure out what I'm doing, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, the only thing I've done is mount it, the sticker, put the stickers on, and put all the caps in. I'm just going to use the new ones. I got them. Might as well. This is the position that tells me to put them in. I'll just go with it. If I have to, I'll loosen these clamps, slack the hose up some. It gave me a routing for it, but they were all crisscrossed, and I just did it the way I want it. But I know some of these are going to be probably a little short, a little long. I'll mess with them, and we'll see what we get. So I'm going to work on just getting these done, and I'll hook up the 4 hoses from here, and then I'll work on the 3rd function section on the loader all the way out and all that. I'll do that another day. Just a little too hot, and it's about time for dinner. So let me put this on time lapse and get going. So as you can see, I was doing the red hose. It is kinked right here because I have this tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this and the bottom one, not all the way off, but kind of to the edge, and then that'll give me some slack to move these around. And I have that kind of tightened right now, but I can loosen it, get them all on there. I shouldn't have tightened that all the way up. I knew better, but I wasn't thinking at the moment. So I'm gonna keep doing this. You get the picture. So I'll see you back when I'm done. Okay, finally got it done. You can see here's the colors, all the stickers line up. These you can turn, but the middle ones I had set just so I could put up here. Got the hoses routed. I did have to reroute these 2, and then I flipped these 2 around just to make it look nice. So the routing's all good all the way down. Goes right into there. I did mark each hose at both ends so we know what they are. So I'll work on the boom another day. I'll go ahead and hook up the hoses. I'll give it a try real quick and see how she does. Something got a little fluid everywhere. It's alright. Just clean it up. Not gonna hurt anything. I always like to put the caps together, a way to keep the dust out if you do have to use them. Let's see here. Never hurts to clean these off. That one done. Got the blue one. Extend. Give it a pull, turn that back on, connect these two, all done, wipe it down. It's ready for the boom to be done. Give her a start. We'll give it a check to see if it leaks or anything. Oh, yep. That one right there. All right. Fix that real quick.
a button. Hope everything's working. No leaks. Alright, wipe it down one last time. Alright, I guess I'll do another video on the boom and how that works. So let's see what we can do. We got the first part done. I just got to do the boom. Oh, I didn't let it down. All right. Yep, let me put all my stuff up, and another day I'll work on this. And I don't have any more 45s, so we'll have to order 6. And should be all I need. So, all right, thanks.